Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have July's scrapbooking store unboxing, so let's dive right in. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm getting stuck on the sticky. Okay, I think that's everything. So, looks like we definitely have a summer theme. Best Summer Ever by Echo Park Paper Co. And then this is the added ephemera pack. So you can add an ephemera pack and it comes with these items right here. And we have Simple Stories journal bits for summer snapshots. Then we have a Keeping Cool Rosie's Studio Puffy stickers. Those are fun. And then we have a Paper House seashell sticker set. So I will look a little bit more at these in a second, but let's jump into this main kit, the Best Summer Ever. And this is by Jen Allison for Echo Park Paper Co. You are getting, obviously it's a normal kit, so it contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers and one 12 by 12 element sticker. So that is what you're seeing on the back right here, is that element sticker. Let's see. Okay, so we have a fun border one, we have some tabs, and then we have some really cute things. Like, I love this pretzel food truck, and you also have an ice cream trailer with some cute bathing suits and just pops of really fun colors. You also have this floral bunch up here if you are into florals. A food truck roundup that is so cute. Let's see else. I just love the sunglasses, this little unicorn inner tube, and some really cute sayings. So that is your sticker set. And then let's look at these papers. So first one is called Sunny. So you have a nice blue plaid. And then on the back side is sunglasses, obviously for the sunnies. Then we have border stripes for the second paper with watermelons on the front. And obviously border stripes on the back. This would make a really fun title starter. Just another day in paradise. Summertime is always the best of what might be, and a bunch of other things. Then we have summer words. So we have our ice cream cones on one side, and then just a collage of fun summer sayings. Then good vibes, so you get that kind of yellow, it's almost like a greeny yellow though, plaid, and it's smaller than this other plaid significantly. So you have a yellow plaid and then just a bunch of barbecue kind of stuff. And then we have, actually it's not barbecue, it's cookout. I learned that when I moved to the South, that barbecue and cookout are not synonymous. So good to know. Then we have sweet treats. So this is like a light green pinstripe. And then some popsicles. And then you have some horizontal stripes, and it says it's called food trucks. So cute. And then we have another stripe one, Sunshine Floral. That is super cute and sweet with the strawberries. And then multi-journaling cards. So you have these kind of pinwheels, not pinwheels, but like those banner garland kind of things on one side. And then a bunch of different tags and cards. Fun in the sun, sweet treats. Sunny days are here again. Summer is so much sweeter with you. Love this one. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And then we have some pineapples. Paper is called Sunny Days. More pineapples on the back with watermelon and flamingos. Then this one is actually called Flamingos. You got a coral plaid. It looks like to be like in the middle of the two other plaids size wise, and then flamingos on the back. And look how cute this one is. It's like a bunch of water balloons. This one is journaling cards on this side. The best thing about summer, sunny days are here, sweet yum Summer Ice Cream, You Scream, Fun in the Sun. These are super sweet. Hello Summer. And then I look at this one. I love this little, just little X's or plus signs. This one's called Fun in the Sun. And then has a bunch of bathing suits on the back. So that is your whole pack of paper, of 12 by 12 paper from Echo Park. And then let's look at this little additional set that you could pick up from Scrapbooking store. So I'm gonna undo this whole thing, but this is Keeping Cool Rosie's Puffy stickers. So yeah, some fun sayings in here. Sunny skies, you make life brighter. Adventure, chasing the sun, best day, this. These are definitely more summer themed, but also you could use these in not summertime. Simply awesome. Rise and shine, weekend, yes. Stay cool would be summer. But really some fun sayings in this. And then you have really nice quality paper house stickers. One sheet of different coral and seashells in there. And then let me show you these journal bits. So you are getting 44 pieces in here. Let's see what it's all about. It's almost like you have a little confetti piece, but I think it's just the center of these little punch outs. So you have some tags in here. This one looks like it's stitched already. That is sweet. Easy breezy, love that. Tan lines fade, but memories will last forever. This one, summer days. Is this something? Oh yes, very tiny. It says love. Then we have hello. This is a tag. I really like this, the look of this. Sorry, I'm dropping things as I do this. I wonder what it would be like to live in a world where it was always June, from L.M. Montgomery. Little pelican. Then we have this little tag, and it has the days of the week, so you could circle what day and make a title. This says, today was just perfect. A little arrow, some more labels. This one's cool. This has the days of the month, and you could circle it and then write what month it is on the side. Then you have some tabs. So nothing but blue skies, laying in the green grass, soaking up the golden rays, sunshine kisses. We have some photo labels, a couple of those actually. And then this garland is so sweet. Look at that. And then I can make a little title there. This says easy and breezy. And then the last time, loving this label. You have a little camera, another little label right there. Jump in, cool off. Staying sunny. Then you have more of these photo ones. This is summer tracker. Eat fresh strawberries. Don't think about bundling up. Spend time by the pool. Lay out under the stars. Say yes to an adventure. Read every chance you get. Wear flip-flops every day. Another one of these fun month trackers or circles where you can add the day. A great place to be with a bee. Cute little tags right here with a popsicle and flowers. Another camera. All things sunny. Summer to-do list. You could even cut this off and just make a list. Then this says summer fun, who, where, when, and last one says a summer of fun. So those are all the 44 pieces that you get from this little pack. So this is an addition that you can add to your July package with these two things as well, on top of the best summer ever by Echo Park Paper. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Scrapbooking Store's July kit. And let me know down below if you'll be picking this up. I will have an affiliate link in the description, so go ahead and use that. If you plan on purchasing this, I would be so thankful for that. And we'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.